The absolute freedom of flying like a bird is a long-held dream of mankind. Flying FPV drones is a thrilling experience and brings you closer to this than anything else.
Into it with the box. Right on the front, you got DJI FPV combo, and then a nice side view of the drone. I don't have anything on the top or sides. On the other side, however, we have a picture of the new FPV controller, a nice front view of the drone, and then the V2 goggles. On the bottom, you're going to have your part list and all your serial numbers and everything. As you can see, it comes with all three because it's a combo. It's good stuff, so let's get into it. Alright, so now that we got a good look at the box, we're going to go ahead and get into open it. Alright, so now that we have the plastic off and the box open, we're going to get into the big reveal. So as you can probably tell from the not for sale sign, it is a display demo, but it is a working demo. So these are real parts. First we have the drone. Very clean. Let's see if we can get this gimbal cover off. Easy. Maybe it comes up like this. Don't want to break it. There we go. Nice. Nice FPV on the side. Display demo, as I said earlier. No charge in this one. So it looks like these are sensors and not FPV cameras, like that was speculated in earlier posts and leaks. Let's get into the goggles. These are the new V2 FPV goggles. Really nice clean look from the front and reminds me of like a robot. Let's see. There's some buttons here. We'll figure out what those do. This foam feels really nice. It feels a lot better than the version 1. And it's definitely a lot lighter than version 1. Alright, let's get the rest of it. Alright, get under this foam. Here's the new FPV controller. Really different antennas we haven't seen before. Definitely feels a lot more ergonomical. We'll see what all these are for in a minute. Put that off to the side. Let's see what else we have in here. So this looks like it's going to be our tri-blade propellers. That's exactly what they are. Your other set of propellers. See, right here looks like we have our charger. Classic brick that DJI always sends out. Then this is going to be our wall adapter. Oh no. This is a power bank. We'll have to see what this is for. see what we have in our accessories box. So it looks like we're going to have our top shell, our goggle antennas, goggle headbands, and cables. Ooh, and the manuals, we need those. Right here we have our headband. It's pretty similar to the version 1. Definitely looks like it'll work a lot better though. Let's see, we'll try that on later. Right here looks like we have a shell. Maybe to add some flair of your own if you don't like the clear case that it comes with. We'll see for sure. And it looks like the rest is just adapters and cables. So we have our quick start guide, disclaimer and safety guidelines. Looks like we have our quick start guide and our disclaimer and safety guidelines. Goes off to the side. Yep. Our USB to USB 3.0. Power adapter cable. See what that's for. A couple other doodads we'll get into. Alright. Let's put it all together. So first things first, let's get our battery charging. Right here we have our power brick and wall adapter. Get those together. Like that. And the battery's pretty simple to take out. Just take off this top one. And I'm going to squeeze the sides straight back out. Cool. One-sided. Alright, next we're going to get our controller together as well. Looks like we have our sticks off to the side of this controller. Get those out. Much smaller threads than we're used to seeing. Get those on there. Feels really nice. And it looks like it just charges at the bottom here with a USB-C, or 3.0, whatever you want to call it. And then, same with the headset, it also just charges with a USB-C. And it looks like this display model came with a micro SD. Who knows if that'll be on all of them. We're also going to have to get these antennas on. There's 4 of them in total. Just like the previous model. These ones, I believe, have a 110-minute battery life, and what's that? Cool. We're also going to get this strap on. So, just run this one through the top. Put it there. We'll adjust it later. Our head. Alright. And this one. Awesome.